Just want to say, man, welcome to our STEAMFest, the largest STEAM festival in the state, in the country, so we're definitely out here celebrating. Just want to shout out all of our district staff, administrators, teachers, educators, classified teams that make this event possible and put this together.
I'd like to welcome everybody to our annual STEAMFest for Compton Unified School District. We do this every year to celebrate our students and their creativity and ingenuity in the area of STEAM, science, technology, engineering, arts, and math. We begin with coding in preschool. Imagine that. Your preschool students learning how to code. That transcends all the way through high school. We offer robotics, we offer drones, esports. We really are an exemplary district. A lot of people don't realize that, especially the folks in Compton. We are a premier school district on the rise, 93% graduation rate. Compton Early College, 100% graduation rate. We're looking at expanding the opportunities that we create for students throughout Compton Unified School District, and it's time to bring your kids back. You got your kid in a charter, it's time to bring your kid back to Compton Unified School District.
Like I said, it's hard being number one, but we make it look easy. Thank all of you guys for coming out. And I stood before you guys a few years ago, and I said that we were gonna take our schools into the 21st century. And we did it, we're here. And we're like number one here. And I just wanna take this time to just thank all the staff, all the administrators, our superintendent, and I just wanna thank you guys for coming out. You guys have a good day.